How to send GIFs on Snapchat from camera roll. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to send GIFs on Snapchat from your camera roll. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone, and once inside, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you are in the chat section, simply open conversation with the friend that you want to send a gift to. Now next, tap on the camera icon and take a blank snap. And after that, simply tap on the sticker icon in the navigation bar, which is located in the right side of the screen. Now here, simply use the search option to look for OK or any other GIF that you prefer, and once you find the right one, simply place it on your snap and send it. And now another way to send GIF is by tapping on the emoji icon and after that navigating to the GIF section. Now simply select any GIF and send it directly. And that's it. Now you know how to send a GIFs on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.